How to schedule quantity and cost of rebars 12mm diameter at 0.6 meter on center, both ways in CHB wall in Revit. Create shared type parameter. Go to shared parameters, create new, type rebar cost. Type of parameter, currency. Okay. Select rebar cost. Okay. Go to project parameters. Select add, share parameter. Select rebar cost. Okay. Select type, group parameter under identity data. Select the walls. Okay. Okay. Create global parameter to assign in rebar cost parameter. Go to global parameters, create new, type rebar cost. Type of parameter, currency. Group parameter under identity data. Okay. Put the price, say 45, apply. Okay. Assign rebar cost from global parameter into the wall. Select the 100mm thick CHB wall. Go to edit type, check rebar cost, select rebar cost. Okay. Apply. Okay. Select the 150mm thick CHB wall. Go to edit type, check rebar cost, select rebar cost. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now select the 200mm thick CHB wall. Go to edit type, check rebar cost, select rebar cost. Okay. Apply. Okay. Create schedule quantities for wall under schedule tab. Go to view, schedules quantity, new construction, select the walls. Okay. Under schedule fields, insert the following: type, area, and rebar cost. Select type, insert, select the area, insert, select the rebar cost, insert. Add calculated parameter and name it rebar quantity in kilogram. Okay. Type rebar quantity in kilogram. For the formula, select area over 1, open and close parentheses, times 4.28, open and close parentheses, then times 0.888, open and close parentheses, then times 1.10. Okay. Move up. Note 4.28 is the total length of rebar for CHB work in linear meter per square meter. 0.888 is the weight of 12mm diameter rebar in kilogram per linear meter. 1.10 is the plus 10% allowance. 9. Add calculated parameter and name it total cost. Add, type total cost. type, currency. For the formula, select rebar quantity times the rebar cost. Okay. Okay. Go to sorting and grouping. Check grand totals, formatting, total cost, alignment, right. Check field format, currency. Okay. Calculate totals, rebar, alignment, right. Check field format. Okay. Rebar quantity, alignment, right. Check field format, uncheck, select fix 2 decimal places, use digit grouping. Okay. Calculate totals, area, alignment, right. Field format, uncheck 2 decimal places, use digit grouping. Okay. Calculate totals. Appearance, uncheck blank row before data. Okay. Let's see the schedule. Okay, you have the type, the 100, 150mm thick CHB wall and the 200 thick CHB wall. You have the area and the rebar quantity in kilogram, the rebar cost and the total cost. Now let's try to change the price for the rebars. Go to global parameters, select rebar 45, let's say 48, apply. Okay. Okay, now you have the revised total cost. Thank you.